Jason, stop! I want to talk to you.
Hi, Maria. What's up?
You asked me what's up? What do you mean? Is that a way that you talk to your girlfriend?
I'm sorry. Why do you want to talk to me?
I've been calling you for 3 days, but you didn't even pick up my call once. What happened to you?
Nothing. I was not feeling well, so I decided to take a trip to the countryside for a couple of days. I left my phone at home. I'm sorry that I didn't call you back.
What? You traveled along without me? And you did not say a word to me? Are you serious?
I'm sorry.
You are disrespectful. I'm breaking up with you.
Maria, no. There were too many things in my head, so I thought I needed a place to rearrange my thoughts. Please understand me.
No, that's enough. We're done. I don't want to talk to you anymore. Goodbye.
Maria, please.
Hello there. What is going on? I haven't seen you for a week. Where have you been?
Someplace.
What's wrong? Have you just argued with Maria again?
Yeah, we were over. She broke up with me.
Nah, don't worry. She loves you. She will be back for you like all the time.
I don't think she will be back this time. I can see the disappointment in her eyes. Those eyes are sadder than Mona's.
Who is Mona? Your new girlfriend?
Mona Lisa, the painting.
Oh man. So, where did you go recently?
I went to the countryside. I need to be alone to think about my life and to identify who I am on the earth.
You're still sad about your dad?
Yeah, a little.
He was just too worried about you. What would you do if you study art?
I can be an artist just like Leonardo da Vinci.
He is an exceptional guy. Not all artists can be as successful as Leonardo da Vinci.
No matter what, I won't be as a businessman for sure. That's not me nor my dream.
Okay. Why don't we talk about something else? Tell me about your days in the countryside.
Wow, I read a post on Facebook about a famous artist. He had a farm in the rural area. All of his workers went home for the spring break, so he needed a volunteer to help him with the farmer stuff. In return, he would give that person one of his paintings, which is hard to determine the value of.
Wow, it sounds great.
You know what is greater? He was a fan of Leonardo da Vinci. We spent hours talking about his paintings. That was the happiest day of my life.
What do you guys talk about?
A lot. I just remember our longest conversation was about Mona Lisa mystery.
Mystery? I love secrets. Tell me about it.
Why do you show so much interest in art today? You don't act like that normally.
I'll tell you the reason later. Now, can you tell me about those little secrets?
Okay, as you already know, Mona Lisa is the most famous work by Leonardo. That was a beautiful painting. However, the mystery behind the painting intrigued people. Why did Leonardo da Vinci paint her? Those are the biggest questions.
Were there any theories about her identity?
Some artists and art puffs even thought that it was Da Vinci's himself, but as a woman. Is it funny?
Yeah, that's hard to credit.
Other thought it was not any specific person, but the ideal of a woman.
What does that mean?
What is your ideal girlfriend? I mean the appearances.
Tall, skinny, and adorable.
Do you like a woman without eyebrows?
No eyebrows? Well, maybe, she could use an eyebrow pencil.
Yeah, Mona Lisa was painted without the eyebrow to give her face a more unearthly look. Historians say women of this time like to remove their eyebrows. Obviously, they thought eyebrows were not attractive.
Yep, it was completely at odds with our modern thoughts. A woman would look so weird without the eyebrows.
But that theory was not really correct because there was a French engineer, Pascal Carte, performed high-resolution scan on the painting and found that Mona Lisa did once have eyebrows, but they had faded, likely as a result of time and shoddy restoration work.
Oh, fantastic.
There was another theory that it was a portrait of an actual woman of the time who was the wife of Francesco de Zorro.
Who was the wife of Francesco de Giordano?
Her name was Lisa del Giocondo. She was an Italian noblewoman. We don't know much about her life, but we do know one thing. She was a mother to 5 children, and she outlived her husband.
So, she was the model for the painting?
Yeah, she was. In 2005, Armand Schwester of the Halberds found the answer. While glancing through an old composition, he tracked down a little note. In this, the lady in the Mona Lisa is decidedly recognized as Lisa del Giocondo.
Oh, how could he be so sure about that?
Da Vinci has been paid to do her portrait after the birth of her second child. Mona means madam in Italian.
So, it means the name of the painting is Madame Lisa?
Correctly.
There were too many theories about the mystery of the Mona Lisa painting. Where is the painting right now?
It's in the Louvre. Before that, the Mona Lisa spent time with several French leaders. Napoleon had the painting hung in his room so he could appreciate it at whatever point he needed, which he did for around 4 years.
Wow, you know a lot about art, especially Da Vinci's works.
Okay, can you tell me now why you want to know about art?
Honestly, I'm dating a girl who is studying at an art school. Apparently, our talk will be about the paintings, the masterpieces, and the artists. I did not know much about art, so I think you will be a good advisor.
Wow, you're so lucky.
I don't know, she's a kind of emotional, just like you. She's easy to get angry or happy about, and she would do whatever she wanted without caring much about my feeling. She said that it is how an art brain works. Is that true?
Maybe. I'm not sure about that. Should I talk to Maria? I still love her. I don't want to lose her.
Of course you should. It's hard to find a girl who has been patient with you for all those years. If I were you, I would never let her go.
You're right. I will talk to Maria.
And try to change yourself, by the way.
Noted with things. I need to go. Bye.
Bye, I talk to you later.